What's going on, guys? Hey, I just want to drop this quick video real quick. Just a thought I've been having over the last couple of days, and it stemmed from me potentially partnering in a business. And long story short, people who are very quick to want to jump to from opportunity to opportunity often never times build anything big, right? And what I had been thinking about all weekend was this very simple thing: was big opportunities come to those with valuable skill sets. And the only way to build a valuable skill set is to do the work and to learn it. And oftentimes, the only way to build valuable skill sets is to do the boring work that nobody wants to do. And the reality is, like, it's not my opinion, this is a statistic, but majority of businesses fail and only 7% of companies ever get to seven figures a year. And so to be in the top 7% means that you are in a realm that the majority of business owners are not in. And what that probably means is that you're one of the few that are willing to do the work that nobody wants to do, because people get into business because it's exciting, because it fulfills them, because they think it's fun. And what they quickly realize is that 90% of the work that you have to do to be successful is the boring work that nobody really enjoys. But the beautiful thing about the boring work is that's where the valuable skill sets are built. And if you want to be successful long term and you want to be invited into new big opportunities down the road, then you have to become really good at what you do right now. I don't care if you feel like the opportunity in front of you is not ginormous. That's not what's important. What's important is you become the best version of yourself inside the opportunity that you're currently in. And when you do that, you won't have to look for new opportunities. They will come to you, because you will build a reputation that nobody can ever take away from you of building a legitimate company and having valuable skill sets that many people do not have. And so I want to share that with you today to hopefully motivate you guys to keep going on the path you're going. Even if you're feeling doubt, even if you're bored, even if things are hard, you are learning something valuable in this season of your business. So keep going, don't stop. It will be worth it long term, and big opportunities will chase you when you become great at what's in front of you right now.